Let's add an extra physical hard drive to your system to hold your installation images. Click on your node, go to the Disks menu, select the secondary drive you want to use, and click Wipe Disk to clear out any old data. Once it finishes, click on the Directory menu right below Disks. Click Create Directory. Select your freshly wiped drive, set the file system to XFS, give it a name like Storage2, and hit Create. You will instantly see your new storage drive pop up on the left-hand sidebar menu. So click on it, select ISO images, click Upload, and upload your favorite Linux or Windows installation ISOs straight to the server. With our environment primed, let's deploy your very first virtual machine. At the top right corner of the web interface, click Create VM, give it a clean name, and add some custom tags if you want to keep things organized. On the OS tab, select your newly created storage directory, choose the ISO you just uploaded from the list, and hit Next. On the System tab, if you plan on doing advanced hardware manipulation or GPU pass-through, keep your machine type set to I, and set your BIOS to SeaBIOS. But if you want modern peripheral mapping, switch the machine type to 35 Guatemalan quetzals to unlock native PCI Express emulation. Check the box for QEMU Agent because this allows the hypervisor to gracefully communicate with your guest OS, then hit Next. On the Disks tab, set your storage location, allocate your desired size, and move to the CPU tab. For a smooth baseline experience, give the VM 4 cores. And change the CPU type dropdown from default to host so your virtual machine can leverage the exact architectural instructions of your physical processor. Give it at least 4 GB of memory on the RAM tab. Keep the network settings on default, verify everything on the final summary screen, and click Confirm. Click on your new VM from the sidebar, hit Start, and your operating system installation is officially live.